Guys, today we are going to do a very good analysis of a brilliant share, which is Trident. Now, this share is one of the best shares which you can possibly purchase at this time. Now, if you look at ticker tape, we can see analysts have suggested that investors can buy this stock with 100% recommendation. Now, what is the basis of this recommendation? Now, let's see the returns of this share over weeks. It has consistently been, if we look at the monthly progress, it shows 12.52% returns, yearly returns 329%, 5-year return is 771%, and maximum since the inception is 17,700% returns. Now, this is a brilliant company to be invested into. Trident is something which is the best company at the present, which is under 100 rupees. So if you look at the presentation which is given by the company, let us see what exactly this is all about, and we'll see how the company performance has been analyzed by the investor sentiments. So if you look at the earning presentation of Trident Limited, which is a home textile and a paper-based limited company, the company overviews, which is leading integrated home textile manufacturer with 30 years of track record, which is a good track record. It is world's largest wheat straw-based paper manufacturer. So this kind of paper is being produced by Trident, which is based on wheat straw based paper. This is number 1 in North India for branded copier segment. You must have seen once you go to purchase paper in rims, Trident is the number 1 choice. In fact, it is always there with the shopkeepers. It has world-class infrastructure and technology. Let me view it to the maximum full screen mode. Okay. Globally best-in-class business partners, robust financials, and young and energetic workforce. So it has 3 billion plus business spread in 150 countries, 17,000 plus employees are working, 46 e-com website present, 12 plus patents, and 72% revenue from exports in financial year 2020. Now, Trident started as a commodity player in 1990, and today it is into different types of businesses such as paper, chemical, energy. It has enhanced its capacity of expansion in yarn and terry towel from 1990 to 2010, and from 2010 it has added value addition, that is horizontal diversification, e-commerce, and has got 10 patents. Going forward, the vision for Trident Group is to make Trident a national brand with good e-commerce presence, retail outlets, social media presence, and diversified products. Also, Trident is getting into the digital foray, the digital arena, through e-sourcing, real-time performance monitoring, artificial intelligence-enabled projects, digitization of products, virtual showrooms. So the business model, the key partners are manufacturing, logistics, suppliers, and influencers. Key activities is innovation in textile, corporate social responsibility, leadership. The key resources is through infrastructure, brand creation, employee welfare, and bringing technology in the business. The value proposition is responsibly adding value to life with quality products and commitment. Customer relationship, that is loyalty, follow up with service, channels, distributorship, website, retail stores. Customer segment is good. Revenue sources is through product sales. Now, if you look at the awards and recognition, 5R concept, which has been given award. Also, it has won platinum, highest global export award, best places to workplace for women, FICCI Industrial Water Efficiency Award. These are the domestic and textile brands, international home textile brand, and the other outlets or websites through which it is selling its product. So basically, Trident Home Textile brand is a luxury, premium and essential gifting products. We have personally used many of the Trident product and it's of good quality. So personally, once you use a product or a service, you feel about the group in person. You get that personal touch. Also, the dividend payout rate is quite good, which I think is also a great perspective apart from the returns which you can get. So this is something which is really nice about this company. Total income 19,000 million, EBITDA is 20%. Profit before tax, the increase is 14.3%. Free cash flow is huge. The company has shown high resilience and displayed strong performance despite challenging environment, and it also promises to create value and maintain Trident excellence centric mindset. So if I have to talk about a company which I would want to invest in for long term perspective for 20 to 30 years, this is the company which I can get at a very, very low price. In 2020, the global textile and apparel trade was 774 billion, which was 8% lower compared to 2019 due to the impact of COVID. Yes, it declined 8%. The compound annual growth rate is 3%, which is great for the industry. Obviously, there are certain key updates if we look at the industry as a whole. The US has banned the import of cotton products from China, so definitely it will have an upper edge. Cotton prices have increased, shortage of containers are there, suspension of Utopia, and the key remains the sustainability. So India domestic textile and apparel market is estimated to be 99 billion, which has almost recovered around 30% in 2022, and by 2026 it is going to have a big market which is around 190 billion. So you can see the scope, the earning scope from the share, which is huge. So the capacity addition estimated, India will add approximately 3.5 to 4 million spindles. Anti-dumping duty has been revoked. If we talk about the quarterly highlights, this is something which we can look. If we look at quarter 2 and quarter 3, profit after tax, this comes to around 2091 crores. Earning per share is quite significant quarterly. Quarterly margins is increasing significantly. EBITDA margin is also increasing, and profit after tax is considerably increasing. Net worth has increased. Debt has also increased, which shows that the company is trying to expand and is moving forward in the right direction. So this is the total assets which are also increasing. So home textile and paper, these are the two major businesses of Trident. And this particular, if you look at the home textile, this forms 87% of the business of Trident, and 13% comes from paper. So let's quickly do the summary of the financials. The total revenue for the financial year 2022 stood at 50,884 million with sales growth of 59.8%. This is brilliant. Profit after tax has increased by 137%. So the company is making good profit. EBITDA margin has also increased. What are the reasons why the margins have improved? It has moved to higher retail price point products, focusing on higher thread count sheets, new and innovative products, luxury fashion accent. So this brand is basically catering to the upper class, wherein they are getting into the luxurious category with more pricing and better margins. So the capacity utilization is also increasing every day. The debt has reduced, the commercial production has increased, and if we look at the revenue, it is consistently increasing. Profit before tax and after tax is considerably increasing. The solvency ratios are always and quite positive. Largest player in terms of terry towel capacity and one of the largest player in home textile space in India. Paper, its highest operating margin among key listed players in India. So this is something which you must have seen in the stationery shops. This is how the revenue is split between bed linen, yarn and paper. So I don't think there is a better company than this. Also, the company is committed to environmental, social and the green aspect of the environment and women empowerment as well. Now all the companies have to move towards environmental friendly practices, and any company which is practicing or will start practicing environment friendly entity should be considered for investment in the future. So this is a great step. So if we took a look at environmental aspect, zero liquid discharge, planting of trees, reducing the carbon dioxide emission, waste management power, green belt, and also initiative towards society, Trident Foundation, opportunities for farmers, women empowerment, Nirmal Narmada Abhiyan. So cleaning of Narmada river is also being done. So a lot of social initiatives. And in terms of corporate governance, 3 times national recognition for corporate governance, number 1 in National Award for Excellence in Corporate Governance, 2 times top 25 Indian corporates adopting good governance. So this is the future, Vision 2025. 3 B's, big, hairy, audacious goal. Okay, so what does it mean? The core growth in the core business, develop robust processes, building new businesses, and to grow digitally and move towards industrialization 4.0 through use of blockchain, digitization and Internet of Things. So this is great future for Trident Group, and I don't think there is any better company which I have seen in the recent past than Trident Group. And this is something which is definitely a great source of income for the future. And I must say that this is a great opportunity for the people to invest. So the price of Trident share is at around 62 rupees, which is a great purchase option to buy at present. So you can buy it, you can purchase this stock based on your own analysis. This is completely for the purpose of education. I'm making this video, and we have deeply analyzed the performance of Trident. So I hope this video would have helped you to take a closer look at this company financials, how this company is moving towards better returns. So it's a mid cap with capital market cap of 30,503 crore. So it's really very a big company. The net income is around 304 crores. And if you look upon the holdings, that is, who are the shareholders, promoter holding is 72.94%, which is brilliant. So that's something which is always a positive. Also, all the parameters are green for this stock. This stock falls below 100 rupees. So if you are a new investor and if you want to look for good growth in next 20 to 30 years, this share can be thought of. You can definitely do your own research, your own analysis, based on which you can take a decision. So if I look at the cash flow, the free cash flow is also increased. I think this is the quarterly result, not complete financial year, but it is in positive. So the cash flow problem is not there. You can also take a look at the annual report of the company wherein you can get more details.